Are you seeking timeless wisdom and practical life lessons to navigate the challenges of the modern world? Look no further than the book, Shiva, The Source of Life Skills by Shubha Vilas. This spiritual and motivational exploration delves into the profound teachings and stories of Lord Shiva from Hindu mythology, offering insightful guidance for personal growth and emotional well-being. One of the key themes explored in this book is self-control and detachment. Shiva's meditative nature teaches us the importance of focus, self-discipline, and inner peace. By immersing ourselves in these qualities, we can navigate the chaos of life with grace and maintain a sense of balance. Another important theme is anger management. Through stories like the destruction of Kamadeva, we learn how anger can be harnessed and transformed into constructive energy. Shiva teaches us that instead of being a slave to our anger, we can use it as a driving force for positive change and transformation. Leadership and responsibility are also core aspects of Shiva's persona. As a protector of the universe, he emphasizes the value of selfless leadership and taking responsibility for our actions. By embodying these qualities in our own lives, we can make a positive impact on the world around us and inspire others to do the same. Shiva's ability to strike a balance between his roles as a fierce destroyer and a compassionate family man teaches us the importance of adaptability and balance. Life is filled with various roles and responsibilities, and it is essential that we learn to flexibly navigate between them while maintaining our sense of purpose and compassion. Finally, Shiva's acceptance of unconventional devotees, such as the snake Vasuki, and his adornment with ashes symbolize embracing imperfection and finding beauty in simplicity. This theme encourages us to accept ourselves and others as we are, embracing the uniqueness and imperfections that make us who we are. This book is a perfect blend of mythology and practical insights. It offers actionable tools that can enhance personal growth, resilience, and emotional well-being. By channeling the divine qualities of Shiva, readers can find inspiration and guidance to live a balanced and meaningful life. If you are looking to enrich your life with ancient wisdom and apply it to modern challenges, Shiva, The Source of Life Skills is a must-read. Dive into the fascinating world of Lord Shiva and discover the transformative power of his teachings.